Good afternoon, everybody. Waited all day to finally get one that I liked good enough to take, and it was on a much lower price, much lower float stock, which is kind of what I'm trying to get in a little bit more of going forward, if you've heard me talk about that. Also, before we get into the video, I just realized this morning that my Discord link had been broken or not working forever, so that's updated now down in the description below if you want to join the Discord and get on in there. So let's break it down in today's video. Let's go, let's trade. Okay, so the trade today was here in NUWE, and it was about 145 or so when this thing started popping on the scanner here. You can see it to my right hitting into the 13s, and I'm watching it here as it's pushing this $9 level. I want to see if it can make a nice move up through 9, up through that big whole number. We do have shorts on this one, and look at this move. It makes a nice move here up through 9. Seeing if we can get above 920. There's above 920. Watching it here. It's up into the 930s. I go ahead and click the button, get filled. 100 shares short here, average of 926. If it wants to go up through 950, I will be willing to add in some more. So only 100 shares here, but it's moving pretty big for a $9 stock here. So I definitely also want to wait for a decent move back to the down direction. So I think I'm definitely going to wait for at least under 9. Hopefully we can see a nice move under 9 if it makes that break, and we'll see what it does from there. So just watching the level 2 here, seeing if it can get down under 9 and waiting to see. So it's a little bit spready as well. Have to keep that in mind while I'm trading, but just sitting and waiting, sticking to the plan here. No reason to be getting out, no reason to be getting adjusted, and watching it as it is pressing down towards 9. You can see it keeps coming down towards 9. The bid keeps getting closer to 9. The ask keeps coming down with it, seeing what it's going to do, and then there's the break of 9. I see it get down into the 880s. I go ahead and put my order out on the bid at 885 to try and cover out my 100 shares down there, waiting to see if I can get a fill at 885. So I'm sitting there on the bid. Can I get the fill, get my 100 shares, and be happy to take this one on a nice move on a $9 stock at this point? So, you know, just a matter of what's going to happen here. And it actually gives me a fill, if you see it there, gives me a fill of 70 of the shares. So it partially fills me there on 70 of the shares. I've still got 30 shares left, and I'm just going to leave my order out here and see if it can get me the fill down here at the 885s. I really thought it was going to, but then it's going to start popping up a little bit here. You can see it now start to bounce, so it hasn't filled me those remaining 30 shares yet, which at this point is just kind of annoying, but you know, we'll wait and see what it does. And what it does is decide to go up and make new highs. So I'm like, okay, this is still a very nice move here. I can probably look to add in those 70 shares that I took off. So I add those 70 shares back in, just front running the 950 mark at 949. So now I'm back to 100 shares short here in NUWE at an average of 941. So just kind of reusing those 70 shares that I already made money on, and hopefully we'll get a nice move back to the downside here now on NUWE with the new 100 share position, which is at a better average. So sitting here at 941, I cancel out that previous take profit order, so not going to get that 30 share fill down there. Just going to look for a nice little move here, and as I see it come down, I take the order there at 920 and I get the fill, and I'm all out there for a $48 gain here in NUWE in the afternoon at almost 2 p.m. Haven't even gone to the gym yet today. Finally made some money. So that's going to do it for me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you want, make sure you check out the Discord in the link down below in the description. We'll be back at it tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later.